Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online tool. And in today's video, I will show you how to shorten your URL for free without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser, and then what you need to do is to come to this particular website right here. So tinyurl.com. On getting to the site, it's going to take you to the official webpage right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you are in this section. Shorten a link right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you get the link that you want to short. So like for instance, I'm going to use this particular link right here. Right click on it and then make sure I click on copy right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we open up the website. Then what you need to do right here is to go ahead and paste your long link right here. Right click on it and make sure you click on paste just like so. So next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on shorten link right here. Then go ahead and verify you are human. Then you are done. Then here, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on copy your shorter link. It's that simple. So this is how to short a link without any stress. For more useful tutorial about free online tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.